Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is a start of a brand new weekly vlog. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Alrighty, so as you guys could see in a few earlier clips, I made pork chops to go along with everything that my husband made yesterday. So he did, of course, chicken breast. You guys already know every week it's gonna be some chicken breast or some type of chicken incorporated into that. He also did beef burgers. And then also some baked potatoes. And then yesterday I made my famous buffalo chicken dip. Yes, my absolute favorite. I love this. It is definitely the season. The temperature has dropped. It is 58 degrees right now. So it's the perfect time to turn on the oven and go ahead and make buffalo chicken dip. So I have not heated this up. I just kind of put a little bit on my plate here to go along with these beautiful pork chops. They look so good, golden brown, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of show you guys a little bit of those chops. But basically, I mean, I can literally just throw together a little veggie. I'm not super duper hungry today, which is kind of weird, but my husband made a big pot of rice over here earlier as well, so he can have his chicken and rice, you know, throughout the week, and that's usually what he takes for lunches. But let me go ahead and show you guys these delicious chops. Alrighty, so this is what they look like. Oh my goodness, first of all, they're huge, but second of all, they look so good. This one kind of got a little bit long, went a little longer than it should have, but yes, they look delicious. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pop one onto my little plate here to go with my little chicken, my buffalo chicken dip. I'll have that. And like I said, there's rice to go along with it. We have salad, we have veggies and stuff like that that I can throw together really quickly to kind of create a meal. He's just portioning out his meals, his lunches and all that good stuff for the day. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be having today. I'm trying to think of anything else. Well, right now it is late, or later than expected. It is 6:11 in the evening. So I kind of got a little bit of a late start, but there was a few things I needed to do when we first got home. So I took care of those things. Good to go. Talk with my neighbor a little bit, which was really nice. Just kind of keeping caught up on what's going on in the neighborhood. But the chops were going to be made regardless. So they're made for the week. I have 8 chops altogether, 4 and 4. So we should be good for meals throughout the week. Let's see how many I can actually eat. So I'm hoping at least until Wednesday, at least 3 days worth I can actually eat. But yeah, I'm always hurting myself somehow, some way. But yep, that's pretty much it. So I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on my channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday, woo woo, Friday's Eve. You guys already know it is the 17th of October. And yeah, I'm just now getting home, thankfully. It is 4:25 in the afternoon and I am already popped some mixed vegetables, like steamed mixed vegetables in a little baggie into the, almost said the fryer, into the microwave. That way I can go ahead and just kind of steam those up. I'll add in a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, so I can just kind of, you know, flavor those up a little bit and have with my food. But I wanted to get on here. I'm so sorry I was not able to come on yesterday. It was a day full of stuff. I was off of work, so that kind of entails a lot of, you know, household items and household things that I do. One of which is I got my nails done. Ooh, aren't they so cute? Yeah, so excited. It's just something about having a nail that just makes me feel like a person. I know it's small. It's not really that, most people are just like, I mean, I don't really care. No, it makes me feel whole. Like I have something together, my life, anything. Just it makes me feel like I'm doing something right. So I absolutely love when I get to get my nails done, and they just, I don't know, they just look very elegant, very dainty, very demure. But I'm already here taking a couple sips of my coffee. You guys already know collagen peptides in here, and then also some of my sugar-free French vanilla creamer to kind of kick us off, basically kick off the meal, coat my stomach, make me feel better. It is cold outside. I don't know where you guys live, but here on the East Coast, it's cold. Right now it says 61 degrees, but there is a breeze, like father wind is out here, and it's bad. So it has been cold. In the mornings, it's been about 40 something, like 45, 46 degrees. It's cold, okay? I don't like it one bit. I've been wearing my little hoodie. Even around the house, I still don't care. Like I'm house hoodie and house shoes and, fuzzy socks. That's really the vibe I'm giving. So I am super hungry, and let's talk about this for just a second before, my food and everything finishes and, I start preparing my plate. I know I get on here sometimes, actually most days, and I'm just like, hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and something, and here's what I'm about to break my fast with, and now let's chow down, I'm hungry. No, today was one of those struggle days. I struggled to stay on OMAD today. It was a struggle day. Do you guys ever have struggle days? And I know that's rhetorical because let's be honest, we all do. But today was hitting me hard. And I'm not sure, all right, veggies are done. I'm not sure if it's because my cycle is set to come on pretty soon or what, or maybe it's just the cold. When I tend to get cold, I want to be warm. And when I want to be warm, I want to eat. And I can't. So that's one of my issues. The second one being my cycle is going to be coming on here pretty soon. So maybe it's just, intense cravings of something that my body is saying you need. I don't know, but today was my struggle day for sure. Oh my goodness. So my job catered lunch. They actually catered Honey Grow. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Honey Grow before. Hopefully I don't get it everywhere. Honey Grow, but it's basically like, this one was look, I don't know. I'm just going to read it off the little receipt here. It's basically a stir fry. It has egg white noodles, chicken, scallions, mushrooms, snow peas, sesame seeds, chili crisps, butter sauce. But I haven't opened it, still, together, which shows a little bit of restraint because I could have definitely opened it. It smells delicious. I could have definitely opened this at work and I could have just chowed down, but I went for a walk. I went to lunch, I went for a walk because I was like, if I stay in this kitchen or if I just sit here with this food, I'm gonna wanna eat it. And, oh, okay, yeah, this looks pretty decent. So it's like a little stir fry. Hopefully you guys can see it. There is a fly in here that I want to kill. But yeah, looks good. Veggies, little lo mein noodles. That stupid fly that keeps flying around here, so I'm just gonna close this up. But yeah, that was a piece of chicken. That's what it looks like. Looks good. I'm throwing that chicken back in here. Okay. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna make a little veggies to go with my, little noodle, my little stir fry noodles from the job. Sorry, I'm trying to clean up the mess. And on top of that, instead of me having a pork chop, which I've had pretty much, you guys should be proud of me. All these pork chops I've been eating, today I'm gonna have a burger. And I'm gonna have that along with, literally, this is all we have left of my buffalo chicken dips. I'm gonna have a little bit of this as well, because I'm gonna save some for my husband. But yeah, man, today was one of those struggle days. Like, I wanted to eat so bad, but I fought against it. I probably should have had maybe a second cup of black coffee, but I did so great on my water. I drank. I refilled, I drank. And so on the way home, I finished my second, big thing of water. So that's 80 ounces today. So I've been doing so good, but it's just like, today was just one of those days. I was so hungry and I was so tired, and I was just like, I just feel like I'm fading. I was like, once I get something to eat, once I get a, a couple sips of this coffee, something that has, a little bit of substance to it, I know I'll feel better. But man, when I tell you it was a struggle to hold on to that honey grow stir fry today, I almost gave in, but I didn't. But sometimes those are just those days. We have those days, and today was my day. So enough about me. Let's go ahead and get this all together. So I'm gonna have, like I mentioned, this burger patty. I'm gonna have some of this buffalo chicken dip, and I just popped a bag of mixed veggies in here. So I have not been doing too good with my vegetables at all, but basically just a little steam bag of mixed vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and season these up. I'm gonna heat up the rest of my food, and then I'm gonna get ready to chow down. All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so here we are, and here's the plate. So I got my lonely little burger patty there with a little bit of barbecue and ketchup. I have my mixed veggies here that I just kind of doctored up with a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, super easy. Just a little bit of that buffalo chicken dip, and of course, just a little mound of, I did like half of those little stir fry noodles, and my husband can have the other half. It doesn't have anything there that he's allergic to, so that's great. But yeah, this is the plate. Very colorful, lots of different textures, lots of different flavors on there. For my bubbles, I am going to be doing the Canada Dry Zero Sugar Ginger Ale. I need a little bubbles, and of course, you guys already know I made my coffee, which I've already been sipping on. Whew. So right now it is 4:44. I'm starving. I've already had some coffee, but I need some actual sustenance. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I am off tomorrow. We have a few little errands that we need to run and a doctor's appointment. So hopefully I will see you guys when I go for a walk. I'm trying to incorporate a walk. It is cold, but I'm trying my absolute best to just keep moving as much as I can before it really starts to drop. So I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Beautiful day for a walk, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday, the last day of our weekly vlog. So today is the 20th of October. So basically it's pretty much just gonna end this out. But I wanted to go ahead and get on here and basically just kind of give you guys a little brief rundown of everything that we've been doing this weekend. Friday was absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. And Saturday was great. And now even Sunday, it's like almost 80 degrees outside. So yes, I'm in such a great mood. But basically Friday, I had that little seafood boil. Oh my goodness, talk about delicious. But it's so decadent. It's a lot of oil. It's a lot of fat in there. So it was like, oh, okay. This is a very heavy meal. Saturday, we went out, me and hubby went out for date night. So I showed you guys a little bit of the little steakhouse that we went to, which is, I forgot the daggone name of the steakhouse. I forgot it. Texas Roadhouse. So it was so good. I didn't even eat all of my food. I still have it waiting here for me. I ate my salad and I had a good amount of my steak, but I still have some rice left over and some steak. So I'm gonna definitely parlay that into what I'm gonna have for today. So for today, we've actually just kind of revamped a little bit of the food that we had from last week that we did not get a chance to finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and show you guys exactly what we did. All right, so this is what I have remaining for today. So I do have a good amount of steak and some rice. I had made some mixed veggies the other day, so I think what I'm going to do is just kind of heat this up and add that to what I already have here. But I also have a bag of salad in the fridge, so I think I might end up parlaying that into my meal for today. So that's one thing. Second thing I have here is 2 remaining pork chops. So we actually did really good with the pork chops. We ate those a lot this week. I have 2 chops remaining. So what I'm going to end up doing is actually just kind of pulling them off the bone there, just kind of chopping up that remaining meat. And my husband did go ahead and make some stir fry. So those same little packages of stir fry that came with the sauce, and it was basically just veggies and sauce, I'm going to end up using those chops to go with this stir fry. And then there is still some leftover white rice, not a whole bunch, but a good amount there. So I think that'll go perfectly with that, basically pork stir fry is how I'm gonna revamp that. And then finally, hubby had made some baked potatoes. I think we both had I had maybe a half of a potato, honestly. And then he may have had like a potato and a half himself. So what he ended up doing was just whipping them into mashed potatoes, which goes good with the remaining hamburger patties. So we have just 3 patties left over. But I said this was perfect because honestly, I can do this. We can have it with the salad. We could have it with the mixed veggies or broccoli. And then that burger, we can do an egg on top of the burger, whatever the case is, but it will all go together perfectly. So that is how we are basically revamping the food that we already had made for this week, but also incorporating new food that I also have. I have my little coffee here that I already made. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and heat this up along with these mixed veggies. And I think that is what I'm going to be breaking my fast with for today. Yes. Alrighty. So right now it is about 3:39. I'm just getting in from my religious meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and basically just kind of get this taken care of. I'm going to take this off the bone, chop that up like I mentioned, so it'll be ready to go for tomorrow. And I'm ready to chow down. So as usual, I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel for a brand new weekly vlog. You guys take care.